Hey, it's Ara here, and in this video I'm going to be going over exactly why I joined the Home Business Academy and why you might want to as well. If you are someone who's looking to get into online marketing, if you are brand new online, or if you want to create a steady stream of residual income, not only am I going to be going over exactly what this has to offer, but I'm going to be giving you a really cool incentive when you decide to enroll with me down below, right? So one thing that I want to cover real quick before I actually get into, what HBA has to offer is, as an affiliate, if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, if you want to create residual income, this has the ability, I'm going to scroll down a bit right here. This has the ability to earn you a yearly cash flow of over 75K with just one sale per week. So one sale per week has the potential to produce a yearly cash flow of over 75K, and one sale per week can turn to 75K. Two sales per week, you're doing over six figures, and then, three sales onwards. So this right here pays 80% recurring commissions on a $25 product. And this has been known to convert extremely well, as I will go over right here, right? So I'll go over more in detail about the affiliate side of things as well, but I want to get into exactly what this has to offer from a product standpoint. So HBA has the funnel builder tool right here. So this is both a funnel builder as well as a marketing education platform. So very much like when you enroll in college or university, you have your different courses and curriculums that you go through, and that teaches you everything that you need to know to get yourself out in the real world and start, making money, right? So this is pretty much, you have your training right here, but the main core offer that this offers is the funnel builder itself. And if you are familiar with platforms like, ClickFunnels, for example, that's another thing that I want to get into as well. How does this compare to other platforms like ClickFunnels and Kartra, right? So with ClickFunnels, they charge like $150 a month at the lowest, and all you're really getting for this is just the funnel builder itself. So you're not really getting anything too special especially with the amount of other, tools and systems out there nowadays that, have come along since then. And, when you look at this, you're paying $147 a month for the funnel builder versus with HBA, you're getting the funnel builder for just $25 a month. And then on top of that, you're getting the entire training, that goes along with it. And that shows you how to get traffic and conversions as well for pretty much the same price or even less than that, right? So I want to show you real quick, give you a glimpse on how the funnel builder works and how to use it. So this is the capture page that they give you when you first enroll, and you have your main features right here. I'm not going to go too deep into, how to use this, because they have training in here that pretty much goes more in detail about, if you want to learn more about how to build capture pages, they have that all in here. And there's also live coaching you can go through as well. But the one cool feature that I want to show you real quick is that they have this AI feature right here. So if you are someone who's brand new, if you don't have experience doing like copywriting, or you need help coming up with a good headline that will get people to opt in to take that next step, they have this AI tool right up here. So you click this button, and then you say, okay, I want to improve this headline that I have, right? And you could click this a few times till you get one that you like. So fast and easy way to earn from home with a new awesome business. So that's one example. You could expand it if you want a longer headline. Start earning from home with a revolutionary new business. That's both fast and easy. So you have that one. And again, you can go through here, find one that you like, and this is a great way to come up with a good, highly converting headline. So there's that. I want to talk about also the HBA Premium that you get here as well, and what this has to offer. So every single online business, regardless of if you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, if you have your own course to sell, if you are a coach, if you have a physical brick and mortar business even, every business needs traffic. In other words, visitors to the front door, which in this case, the front door is the capture page. You need visitors going over to your website if you want to make money. Otherwise, you're not generating leads or sales. So this right here goes over everything that you need to know. It shows you multiple different ways that you could use to promote online. And keep in mind, all of these methods right here, you only really need to learn just one method and learn it really well in order to really succeed online. So some people do really well with, YouTube, right? So, you know, people like myself, I do YouTube. This is how I had my first breakthrough online, was doing YouTube videos. Some do well with Facebook, some do well with LinkedIn or TikTok or Instagram, any of these other platforms. Blogging is even in here. Or you might be someone who, let's say, for example, you have, you know, maybe not so much time to invest, but you want to invest money instead, right? So if you want to learn solo ads or Facebook ads, you have those methods in there. I also do have a few more paid methods if you want to get into that as well, that I go over in my training, which I'll mention as well, right? They talk about follow-up in here. And one thing that I think is very unique about this is that they have 11 masterminds every single week that you could tune into. These are all Zoom calls you could jump on, and you have 5 of them, you know, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. This is more like mindset right here that you've got, and then you've also have the traffic and conversions mastermind. So if at any point you want to learn more in detail about a certain method, you have that in here. You could ask questions on these Zoom calls, and they're really good with answering questions. Yeah, so there's that, and then also there is the Financial Literacy Academy. So if you want to learn more about managing money, you know, reducing taxes, they have plenty of cool strategies in here you can learn about. And again, this can be applied with really just about any business that you're running, and also can be applied with almost everywhere in the world. There's something in here that you can learn that can really save you money, or in other words, you know, help you make more money in the long term, right? So that's pretty much what I want to go over there. Now, one thing that I want to really go over here is the cost to get started, and then I will also talk about the earning potential from an affiliate standpoint, right? So from the cost, if you want to enroll in HBA, this is a very affordable program. So really anyone can jump in, as little as $25 per month. And that will give you access to the funnel builder itself. So $25 a month, you get the funnel builder and the funnel builder academy, and you also get the resale rights on that. So as an affiliate, and my pen is like dying out on here, it's like a recurring theme with these videos, but as an affiliate, you have the ability to earn $20 per month for each customer that you refer, which is really great. And then the next product that they have is the HBA Premium, and you could actually get a free trial of this when you go down below. So you'll see this on the checkout page. You could simply check this box, and then you could test it out for 14 days. So I recommend, regardless of whether you intend on getting this or not, definitely pick up the 14-day trial, because you could start going through the additional masterminds as well. So yeah, you could go through this with the 14-day trial. You can gain as much knowledge as possible, and then at the end of the 14 days, you could decide whether or not you intend on keeping it. Now, most people who join this do end up keeping it because of the resale rights that you gain. So the product is $125 a month, and as an affiliate, my pen is working again, miraculously, you have the ability to earn $100 per month on this product level. So from a residual standpoint alone, for each customer, you are earning up to $120 per month, which is super generous. You're getting 80% of the sale right here. And one thing that I also think is really interesting is that a portion of all sales, they donate to a charity called Feed My Starving Children. So I don't know how they manage to stay in profit by giving a portion of this, of like the 20% that they get. So yeah, it's quite impressive that they do that, and this is one reason that I believe in this product. It's highly integrity based, compliant with the FTC, so it's been around for well over a decade, and it's going to be around for, you know, very long time. And then the last product that they have right here, this is optional. This is the FLA product that I mentioned. You can get this up front for a one-time investment of $500. You don't have to get this, but if you want to learn more about tax strategies, you can get this. And then as an affiliate, for anyone who picks this up, you get $400. And that's mainly if they buy it like right on the front end. If they buy it later on, the price goes up to $1,000, and then you get $800 per referral. So for each customer on the front end alone, you have the ability to earn 520 upfront, and then on top of that, 120 per month after that. And then if they buy the product later on, then you get 820 from that customer, and then again 120 afterwards. So that being said, I want to also mention one bonus that I have real quick right here. If you want to see exactly how I market online, if you want to learn all the traffic strategies that I use, if you want to watch me start online, brand new account, brand new everything, I've put together a full training right here, and I'm gonna be adding more videos to this very soon about that'll even go further into this, but I go over multiple different ways. If you want to learn TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, I have a few paid methods in here that I go over that are not mentioned inside of HBA. So if you want to learn even more methods that I've used that have gotten me sales, then you could simply check this out right here, and this is at no cost to you. So you enroll with me down below. You could simply go over to my channel, and you can just skip day 0, because that's like the intro. I pretty much talk about what this is all about, and just go straight to day number 1. And you could simply ask me a question if you have it. I can give you additional feedback, and then you could simply do that right there. So there's that. And then last thing I'll mention, again, when you go down below, make sure to check this box. Even if you don't intend on getting the premium plan, check the box, and then that way you could, of course, test this out for 14 days, and you could decide afterwards whether or not you want to keep it. So that being said, go down below, set up your HBA account. I will see you on the inside, and once you do that, go through the training. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will answer them ASAP. And with that being said, I'll see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.